Dear students, we are going to talk about the different types of novels today. The first one here is realistic novel. A realistic novel is a work of fiction that focuses on the aspects of realism by presenting stories that resembles real life. The characters of such a novel are complex, having good and bad intentions at heart, and are rooted in the social class. If the realistic novel focuses on the customs and values of the upper class, it is known as the novel of manners. The characters in the realistic novels interact with other characters and go through ordinary everyday experiences. The second is historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than the one in which it is being written. The next is Gothic novels. Novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, death, or decay of haunted buildings are called Gothic novels. Autobiographical novels. An autobiographical novel is a novel based on the life of the author. However, the author may change the places and names of the characters. He may also change or avoid certain details of his life, and the narration may or may not be in first person. Then the next one is psychological novel. A psychological novel lays more emphasis on the internal lives of the characters, that is, their thoughts, feelings, and motivations as compared to the external action. This internal response of the characters may be a result of the external action, and it may in turn also lead to the development of action. Stream of consciousness novels. Stream of consciousness is a phrase first of all used by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology in 1890. It refers to the flow of thoughts in the minds of the characters. The incidents in the plot are in the order of their occurrence. Details about the plot are presented to the reader as they enter the mind of the character. Thereafter, we have to see what is a science fiction. What is a science fiction? Science fiction is a category of speculative fiction. Science fiction is a category of speculative fiction which deals with imaginative concepts such as futuristic setting, futuristic science, technology, space, travel, time, explores the potential consequences of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein science fiction flourished in the second half of the 19th century. What is detective fiction? Detective fiction. Detective fiction is a category of crime fiction and mystery fiction where an investigator or a detective who is either professional or amateur investigates a crime, usually a murder, rape, robbery, and so on. Now we have to think about the different aspects of novel. The first one is plot. The plot is one of the essential elements of novel or novella, Novella, novella. It is known as the series of events of or story that make up the theme. The conflict is what leads to development of the plot. The conflict may be internal or external. Internal conflict refers to the conflict inside the character's mind. External conflict refers to the conflict with other characters or entities. The plot may be simple, that is, a single plot, or it may be complex, that is, consisting of many subplots woven together. The next part associated in novel setting is characterization. Characterization is one of the essential elements of the novel. It refers to the act of creating and describing the characters of the story. Characterization is closely linked to the plot of the novel. This is because the series of the events that lead to the development of the plot are a result of the action and behavior of the characters. The author may describe characters in short by using few words, or he may provide a long description of the characters using many words to provide even in minute details, that is known as elaborate sketch. The main character of the story is usually described in full detail. In contrast, minor characters may not be given much importance. The main character, also known as the protagonist. Remember this term protagonist. Protagonist means the hero who fights against the evil tendencies in the society and who ultimately wins the battle. That is called protagonist, whose actions are followed by the reader throughout the novel. The protagonist is usually in conflict with a character, an entity, or a force which is known as antagonist. This conflict between the protagonist and antagonist may be internal or external. Style of the novel. The language and techniques used by the author to describe the series of events in the story is known as style. The author can either use a wide range of sophisticated words or he may choose to be concise to the point. This depends upon which better suits the purpose of the story and is decided by the author. The author may also make use of linguistic devices to make his story more effective and powerful. Stream of consciousness novel. Stream of consciousness is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology in 1890. It is an expression of the character's flow of thoughts in the form of words. The incidents in the plot in the sequence of their occurrence. The plot is presented through the thought process of the character and thus details of the story appear as they enter the mind of the character. Novella. The word novella is derived from the Italian word novelli, which means new. The novella is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full length novel and longer than a short story. It is a short, well structured story whose tone is usually satirical. Satirical means of mocking tone or to teach someone or realistic, showing the ultimate reality in the society in human life. It usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place in a single tradition. Like the novel, the novella is also characterized by six essential elements of theme, plot, characterization, setting, conflict, and language style. So this is the first video for you